Okay, guys, so what are we cooking right now on the fire that we made?
A hot dog. My hot dog.
A hot dog? And what have we cooked? We've cooked popcorn.
Some egg.
We cooked an egg.
We're going to cook more.
A hot dog's just a simple thing. All you do is take a hot dog and just throw it on.
You're covering it.
You look like so professional. Like, I'm the only one that doesn't have anything on. Like, you have sunglasses, you have a mask and sunglasses.
Are you saying I look professional?
Yeah, and, well, Jesse has nothing.
Dang, kid, it's raining.
Is it raining? That's okay.
No,
Or are you a yuppie boy?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Sage, you can video. That popcorn's really awesome.
To God.
Here.
What made you sad,
it's just
God?
like really watery because smoke.
I'm gonna try to eat this egg.
Oh no. Okay.